Hi, our friends! Today I'm going to draw Santa Claus step by step. Let's get started. To draw Santa Claus, we're going to first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start with an oval here and shade it in with black. And for the other eye, I'm going to make him winking. So I'm going to draw two short lines, one going up and one goes down. There, and now I'm going to draw a nose in between the eyes. So we're going to draw a bigger oval there. And from each side, I'm going to draw the mustache out and comes back towards the center. So starting with the left, curve line out and come back here towards the center. Draw a curve line that comes back. There. Now for the other side, I'm going to draw this line across to about right here. And then draw this out. Okay, and connect. There. And we're going to draw a short curve below the mustache for a cute smile. And let's draw the eyebrows. So here, I'm going to draw a short line and curve it up and connect. Let's do the same on the other side. There, short, cute brows. Now I'm going to frame his face. So from here, I'm going to bring a curved line that comes down. Same on the other side. And from here, I'm going to draw the beard. So we're going to start by drawing small baby lines, one at a time. There, soft, fluffy beard. And now let's do this. So I'm going to add another line here and one around here. Now outside of his beard, I'm going to draw two curved lines to show his ears. And now let's move to the top. Okay, so we're going to extend these lines there and draw a curved line that goes across. That's the bottom of his head. Bring it back in. And we're going to bring this line up and turn down here. And an angle line that goes that way. And finally add a circle for the pom-pom. That's his center head. Now I'm gonna draw his body. So here, let's draw curved line, goes out, because Santa is chubby. And we're going to connect the bottom of these two lines. There, and let's draw the arm here, line outwards, there. And the sleeve. And we're going to add a mitten for the glove. There. And now we're going to draw his leg. So two short lines. One leg, the other leg, and then don't forget the Santa boots. So I'm going to connect right here and bring it down a little bit more. Draw a curved line that goes out and come back in for the Santa boots. Same on the other side. Come out and connect. And now let's add the belt. So I'm going to add a buckle here in the center, the rectangle shape. So draw one big rectangle and then followed by a smaller rectangle inside as the buckle. And then we're going to draw the belt. Okay, so now let's add more details. And I think that's it. So now let's color it. And that's how to draw Santa Claus. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.